Could humans really survive on Mars? It's a question that has captivated the human imagination for generations. The allure of the red planet, the potential of life beyond Earth, and the thrill of exploration have spurred on a quest like no other. NASA, the world's premier space agency, is planning to send humans to Mars in the early 2030 ES. But the question remains, can we truly live there? To truly understand this, we need to journey back to the very beginning of NASA's plans. Our journey starts back in the 1950s with NASA's inception and their early visions of space exploration. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration, or NASA as we know it, was born out of a dream of exploring the unknown, the uncharted territories of space. Even in its infancy, NASA was looking beyond the moon, setting its sights on our neighboring planet Mars. The idea of a manned mission to Mars was audacious, even by NASA's standards. It was a dream that pushed the boundaries of what was thought possible. But even in these early stages, NASA recognized the enormous challenges that lay ahead. The vast distances to be traveled, the harsh Martian environment, the need for sustainable life support systems, these were all formidable obstacles, yet undeterred by these challenges, NASA forged ahead with its plans. These were ambitious plans, but the road to Mars was far from smooth. From technical challenges to funding hurdles, the journey to Mars was fraught with difficulties. As we delve into the early years of NASA's Mars mission, we find a landscape brimming with formidable obstacles. Firstly, the technological barriers were steep and numerous. Engineers and scientists were tasked with developing highly advanced spacecraft, capable of sustaining human life for the long journey to Mars and back. They needed to design systems that could handle the rigors of space travel, from propulsion mechanisms to life support systems. The complexity of these designs was unparalleled, and the margin for error was virtually non-existent. Safety concerns were another significant hurdle. The health risks of long-term space travel are profound, from the effects of microgravity on the human body to the dangers of cosmic radiation. To ensure the safety of their astronauts, NASA needed to devise innovative solutions. They had to create spacecraft with adequate shielding and develop protocols to maintain physical and mental health during extended periods in space. Then came the budgetary constraints. The Mars mission was an expensive endeavor, with costs running into the billions. In an era of budget cuts and economic uncertainties, securing sufficient funding was a Herculean task. These financial pressures led to delays and revisions in the Mars mission plans, as NASA had to continually reassess and reprioritize their objectives. Despite these formidable challenges, the spirit of exploration and the thirst for knowledge remained undeterred. NASA's resolve was tested, but it never wavered. The agency continued to push the boundaries of what was possible, continually evolving and adapting their plans. They sought out new technologies, revised safety protocols, and advocated for necessary funding. Each obstacle was met with determination and ingenuity, and every setback was viewed as an opportunity for improvement. Through perseverance and innovation, these early years laid the foundation for NASA's ongoing journey to Mars. Despite these challenges, NASA remained undeterred, continually evolving and adapting their plans. The journey to Mars is far from easy, but the spirit of exploration remains strong, propelling humanity ever closer to setting foot on the red planet. Fast forward to the 21st century, and the dream of reaching Mars is closer than ever. The advancements in technology have been nothing short of revolutionary. The roaring engines of innovation, fueled by a significant increase in funding, have made the prospect of a manned Mars mission not just a wild dream, but an achievable goal. The launch of Mars rovers has been a crucial step in this ambitious journey. Think of them as our robotic pioneers, the Lewis and Clark of the Martian frontier. They've been diligently mapping the terrain, analyzing the soil, and gathering invaluable data. It's through their tireless efforts that we've been able to understand the Martian environment better and prepare for a human mission. The technological leaps, the increased financial commitment, and the invaluable data gathered by our Mars rovers have all played a pivotal role in bringing us closer to our goal. These developments have brought us to the brink of a new era in space exploration. Now, in 2024, we are gearing up for the first human mission to Mars. The anticipation is palpable as NASA's plans for this monumental journey are in full swing. The timeline, as it stands, looks towards the early 2030 IS, a mere handful of years away from the dream becoming a reality. The astronauts selected for this mission are an elite group, chosen not only for their physical and mental resilience but also for their adaptability and problem-solving skills. They're undergoing a rigorous training regimen simulating the harsh conditions of Mars and the isolation they'll face during the mission. It's not just about surviving, it's about thriving in an environment so alien to our own. Parallel to this, preparations for the spacecraft are underway. It's being designed to be a home away from home, equipped to sustain human life in the harsh Martian environment for extended periods. The craft will have to be a lifeline, a sanctuary, and a science lab all rolled into one. All around the globe, scientists, engineers, and astronauts are working tirelessly to ensure the success of this mission. The stakes are high, the challenge is immense, but the potential rewards are even greater. The idea of humans living on another planet no longer seems like a distant dream, but a tangible reality, a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. As we stand on the cusp of this monumental journey, the question remains, can we really live on Mars? So, can humans truly survive on Mars? It's the question that's been echoing through the cosmos and in our minds. As we've explored in this discussion, the journey to Mars is fraught with challenges, from the technical difficulties of launching and landing to the physiological hurdles of surviving in a harsh alien environment. Yet in the face of these challenges, we've seen progress. NASA's relentless determination, meticulous planning, and continuous technological advancements have set the stage for the early 2030s mission. The groundbreaking research and preparations being done today are paving the way for tomorrow's pioneers. The potential for human habitation on Mars is more than just a dream. It's grounded in current scientific understanding. With the right technology, resources, and time, it's possible that we could transform Mars into a livable habitat for humans. Only time will tell if we can call Mars our second home. Until then, we can only dream, plan, and prepare for the journey ahead.